Hello everyone and welcome to this new Wix tutorial where I am going to show you guys how you can fix your domain redirecting to your Wix URL. The process is quite simple and easy. As I always say, first thing first, what you need to do is go to your Wix.com. There you need to log in or sign up if you are a newbie using your Google account or your email account. And you also need to enter your specific password, and after that, this is the type of the dashboard that must appear on your screen. Now what you're going to do is that you need to redirect your URL domain to your Wix URL. For that you need to access the redirecting URL domain. For that, when you enter into your Wix dashboard, here first of all you need to create a site where you will be redirecting it. Let's just say when you move to your home option right here, you go to this option of edit site. When you click on this option, it is going to help you go to your site. Here you see. So this is the site which I have created so far, and then you're going back to your dashboard. Here you have to navigate to the option right here to mobile, and here sites and mobile app. You have to navigate here. When you go here, you see there are a number of options like website and SEO. Here, website, SEO and GEO, site speed, ultimate and security, uptime and security. There is mobile app and logo and brand. Where you have to go is SEO and GEO. Here, you have to scroll down. This is SEO and generative engine optimization. But you have to scroll down to this option of URL redirecting, where you will be able to fix your domain to your Wix URL. Here you see there's an option of URL redirect manager, where you can redirect your site visitors and search engines from an old URL to a new URL. Just click on this site, and in this way you will be able to URL redirect manager. Here you see there are a number of actions that you can take. You can import your redirects, or you can also create a new redirect. It could be a single redirect, or it could be a group redirect. Okay, so you can choose any of these. You can also enter your, let's just say you'll be able to enter your single redirect render here, and you can also enter your new URL here, so that you will be able to fix it from the old one to the new one. So this is how you're going to fix your URL domain to your Wix URL, and it is quite easy. One other method that you can use without choosing the site and mobile app is going to this search bar option right here. You're going to type here URL redirect. This is one of the most powerful features, and without any searching, they are going to redirect you to this page of URL redirect manager. So guys, this is it for this video. This is how you're going to reach to the option of URL redirect manager. So I will catch you guys in the next tutorial. Up till then, thank you so much.